Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hi.
And this framing is perfect because, Justine, guess what we're gonna be doing today?
What are we doing today, Ro?
We are gonna be trying on some things I found online that are one size fits all. Now, Justine and I are different heights, as you can see. So we're gonna step back here. Like, Justine's way taller than me, and I even have on some chunky shoes.
You do.
Yeah, and usually I'm like right here.
I like now that they've changed the saying to one size fits most. Have you seen that?
No.
Yeah, like lots of like shorts and pants and all kinds of stuff. I've seen that whenever I go shopping, which is rare, but I've seen it.
They've updated the phrase. Well, the items that I found online today, they did not update this phrase. So we're gonna be trying on one size tops and one size jeans.
Every single person is built differently, so this is such a silly saying. Like,
why would you make one size fits all jeans?
Yeah, that's impossible.
We're gonna put these products to the test for you so you don't have to, and we're gonna see if they do fit all one size. Wait. If they do
fit all
if they
sizes.
are
Fit.
one size can fit everyone. You guys get it. I'll be putting Justine's links down below, so go check her out, subscribe, show her some love. She's amazing. Also, if you guys like videos of us doing silly things together, give this video a thumbs up. Give it a couple thumbs ups. Click subscribe. Wait, no.
Hit the bell?
Hit the bell. You guys know what to do. Because you're the guest, let me be your stylist, and I am going to show you everything I pulled from the fashion show. Okay, so here's all the fashion. And what thing are you feeling, my dear?
I don't even know how to choose. I mean, where do we even start with this?
I mean, there's so many great options.
Should we just start simple with like a nice sweater?
Okay, sure. Now we've got two, one for each of us. These are actually like really cute. I hope
really
this
cute.
actually fits me. Okay, let's do it. Look at this. It's like a very, like when those burlesque shows, like, dun-dun. Wait, oh, you see my body. Wait, there you go. Woo, woo! Wha-bam. I like that my legs are like so short too. They're like down here. Woo! Okay, I need to start changing.
Oh, I think I put it on backwards. Oh my
You have a cute sweater. I look like I'm wearing a sweater dress. I'm not completely mad at it because you could fold up the sleeves.
I mean, I guess if I pull mine down and scrunch,
I
have a dress.
I could put a belt on it and be a whole thing.
Look, yeah, scrunch this up. Look, fashion.
Yeah, there we go.
I mean, I like this. It's very comfy. Is it?
That looks like it fits you.
Like, I would wear this.
Okay, so what's your height?
I'm 5'3.5".
Okay, so Justine's 5'3", I'm 4'10", with some chunky shoes today. 4'10" with some chunks, so maybe I'm 4'11". There's our height range. We've got a small and a medium.
Look how long your little sleeves are, though. Like,
I know, they cover my whole hand.
Like, so this is mine pulled
look at
down.
me.
I still have hand. You don't have hand.
I have no hand.
We have some notes here. The notes that I have seen over here, this is a Batwing sweater, $25.
That makes sense. Look at the bat wings.
This is great.
I love this.
I would wear this.
This looks like one of them squirrel suits.
Yeah, and if somebody tries to come up and be like, hey, you want to fight? I'll be like,
and then you look bigger. All right.
no one will mess with this.
A versatile, but this does not fit me. One size fits all, more like one size doesn't fit small. Next fashion item.
I like this. I'm
You
into
actually
it.
look really cute in that. You can have that. Wow.
All right, so this next one.
Okay, oh gosh. Convertible jumpsuits. What are they? I don't know. You can wear them as a pant or a full romper, I believe.
Which way is front?
Oh, that's a great question. Justine, okay, you're doing the full romper first?
I don't know.
Let me get the full romper look too. Yeah, this is, I mean, this is what we're talking about. This is what you wear in Hawaii, like muumuus. Looks great.
I feel like
It has pockets.
Like, are these bat pants? Like our bat sweater?
They are kind of like MC Hammer, like the crotch is like down here. It's literally
Your crotch almost touches
it's
the
at
ground.
my ankles. At this point, it is just a long skirt that is connected at the bottom.
I will say this is really comfy though. Like, I'm really comfy.
Wouldn't you wear this to the beach? I mean, I might.
You could wear this to the beach and you could just collect sand.
You could be literally a kite.
You could be the beach blanket.
You are the beach blanket. You don't even need one.
Oh God, my microphone! Stab me in the back.
I don't know if you ever think about this, but if you're wearing a full suit and you're like, oh wow, it's summertime, I'm just so hot, let's just take it off. We can just, boom, turn it into pants. You could just wear your bikini top. But my crotch is even lower now.
Now my crotch is
Look
low.
at it.
I do believe this would fit anyone. Like, we both could fit. Do you want to get in here?
I mean, we could fit people.
We
fit
both could be in
more
this together.
people in here.
I don't feel cute.
I'd have to keep it up here. It's not one size fits all. It is a one size fits most.
I would say, yeah.
And if I wear it all the way up, I don't trip on it.
Like, I could just get in here.
All the way up. We just gotta fold it, keep going, keep going. How did you do that? Can you go in there?
Just get in it. It's really comfy.
Literally like a sleeping bag.
Honestly, some of the outfits that I saw on the Grammy red carpet, like this would apply. Oh my God, next time we go to a red carpet event, this is what we should wear.
Okay, are you ready?
Serve some looks.
Oh, we've got looks for you. Boom, 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 boom.
All day.
Up close, it's like, oh, is that a really cute little turtleneck? And I'm like, no, boom, it's a body pantsuit with no arms.
If you want, we can cut holes for the pockets.
pockets.
Who are you wearing, Justine? Who? Oh.
I'm wearing one size fits all.
What could be next is the question that I have.
Well, let me bring out our options for you. I'm a great stylist, Justine. Okay, I will find you a piece that is right for you. Another great look for the red carpet. We have a one size fits all dress.
What in the heck is this? First of all, it's like a freaking, like...
Wait, there's a picture. There's a picture. I'm cheating.
We're cheating.
Oh, there's different ways to wear it.
Oh, I'm going to invent my own way.
This is a bit long.
Oh, you think? It's even long on me.
So you have to use these to cover your boobs, otherwise you're flopping out. So we need those.
Oh, I'm just letting them go.
Well, I want to look good. How do you do this? Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, Justine, you look great. Okay, I like that a lot. Okay, I seen this one.
Falling apart.
I'm gonna do a Chrissy cross. Ready, Chris? Cross.
I
No,
was
well,
also thinking,
that's not right.
if we wanted, we could make a headband out of it.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the back. Oh, snap. Look at this sexy thing.
Do you need help?
Okay.
I can't move very much.
Here, hold this one,
Okay.
Justine. I got an idea.
What if I just wrap you up?
Look at that, it's cut out. See, that's what's up.
That is really cute.
And we'll just keep all my hair in there. I feel like I look like a dare gone wrong.
This material is actually very comfortable, and I think if we really tried to make this look nice and it was shorter, it's actually kind of nice.
I like the idea of it, that you can make a dress look like 100 different styles. I love that idea, very creative. But for one size fitting all, I am all. I am some person, I'm a person, and it does not fit me.
This is only $29, and look at all the ways that you can make it. It's a deal.
This is a bridesmaid dress.
All the bridesmaids
Can have, I get it.
That's
so
cool.
bridesmaids can have all in the same color, but then they can make it their own style.
Do you think that anybody would want me to wear like this?
I think everyone's gonna ask us to be their bridesmaids after they see us like this.
Yeah, we're available.
Hello, if you need bridesmaids, Justine and I, give us a call.
Ask my sister what a great job I did.
Yeah, Justine did great. And ask my sister what a great job I did.
I don't know if I did a good job.
I did a great job, and I also read a great speech that I wrote. Whoa!
What if I want to go out to the club?
That is a club. I mean, I can see your entire butt. It's not even a little butt cheek. I see your entire butt.
Wait.
So you will get like 10 boyfriends.
Oh my God, 10?
In LA, you'll get 10 boyfriends in one night. Justine, just bring it down 1 inch so you could just get 2 boyfriends. There you go.
How many would I get now?
You'll get 2 now.
what could we possibly have to try on next?
Oh, have I got some looks for you? Ready for this, Justine? I'm winding you up with excitement. We have one size fits all jeans.
Okay, jeans?
Jeans, which I'm like, I can't even find jeans that fit me when I'm ordering my actual size from brands that are actual trusted brands. I still have to make adjustments. So this is gonna be who, I don't even know. These jeans were also on BuzzFeed.
I'm just putting them also over my yoga pants.
That's smart. I have to take off my shoes for this one. I mean, they're comfortable,
Really
but
comfy.
look at the waist on me.
Well, you're small.
Michael, look at this.
Yeah, that's...
Look at it. You can fit items in here. Let's put some items. Here, hold this. Look.
Is this
you
my
can
water?
do lemons. I think so. Lemons. I can fit water.
Like, I have a cup holder.
I don't even need a belt bag. I just put stuff in my pants. I could hold 20 phones. I could hold your laptop. I could hold my laptop.
I think I could hold my laptop.
Oh my gosh, this is great.
I'm honestly really... I'm shocked at how stretchy these are because you have a lot more room than I do.
There's a lot of room.
But they really stretch.
You think that's why it's marketed as one size fits all, just because it's so stretchy?
This is a 16-inch MacBook that I have in
I
my
have a water bottle and a laptop in my pants. If I put these in here, it looks a little phallic, but also we can test this for guys. Okay? It looks like. But then we're testing if a guy could wear these. They could.
Ro, let's see what else we can put in your pants.
Oh yeah, we can put this in here. Yeah, put a strainer, put a whisk in there. I look like a gift basket.
I'm waddling with my laptop.
I can't believe all this fits in here.
Oh my,
this is insane.
Okay, what is this?
That's an ice cream scoop, but like a massive one.
All right, let's put it in your pants.
you can fit it really anywhere. The pants are a little long for me, and they're a little big in the waist.
But what's crazy is, I mean, you still could wear them, like because they're so stretchy. Like if I take this MacBook out, like these look like normal pants. They're so comfortable.
You actually look really cute in
They're
them.
really comfy, and I have yoga pants under these.
Okay, Mike, you gotta try these on.
You gotta try them on.
Because you're the tallest. How tall are you, Mike?
6'2".
6'2". Okay, Mike's gonna try these on because he's a dude and he's 6'2", so that's gonna give us a lot of range.
If I decide to put it in my back pants.
You look like a SpongeBob butt. It's so square.
Oh my god! How many guys do you think I'd get at the club like this?
You'd still get one. Mike, come try my pants.
Wow!
Michael Lamont. Woo woo!
Wait, look at my leggings. They're so tight.
They're
like,
really cute. They look like really Euro.
in college, or actually even, at college, like this is what all the guys wore. You know,
Are
I'd go
they
to my
comfortable?
punk rock shows.
Yeah.
They're okay. They're definitely not jean material.
No.
They're more like
It's
jeggings.
definitely
spandex.
something other than jean.
But look at the length on you.
great.
It's like perfect.
It is
I
perfect.
feel like the seams are about to shoot apart.
Okay, we need you, Justine.
One size.
Wow.
I mean, they fit you.
I feel like this is the closest to actually working one size fits all. Because I can actually get them on.
Yeah, I
And
was
Ro can actually wear
surprised.
them.
Like this is.
All of us could actually wear these, so
I
I
know.
think that this is kind of the miracle one-size-fits-all jean.
But there's no pockets.
Mike, and the waist is a pocket. You could put anything
That's
in
true.
That
there.
is true.
That's
You-
true. I don't know if I could
They're-
fit anything in here though.
These were comfy.
I like these.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm actually impressed with these ones. Now we have one last thing to try. Justine, they are also pants.
Oh wow.
Okay, but they're really fun ones.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Do you know how much those jeans were?
How much?
They're $90.
$90?
$90. That's like all of our outfits combined.
Whoa! Again, these are similar to our romper. Let's see if we could wear. We
Where
could
does it go?
It's not even advertised as a romper. Missed marketing opportunity because you can wear it again as a romper.
Maybe you could.
Wait, you can't.
No, I feel
It's a
like
bit
it's
high.
going a little high.
I feel like when we're 80 years old, we might be ordering stuff like this and wearing it. Okay, it is comfortable.
You could put like a little belt on it and go to the beach.
And if I wore it as a romper, it would fit me, but pants, it's huge.
Could you imagine riding a bike with these?
No, and it would probably fall on my face.
Let me tie this. Maybe that'll help. Oh, beautiful.
Oh wow, it's a halter. Halter romper.
Wow.
What I always wanted.
So, to be fair, they did say that one size fits all. They didn't say that it fits well.
No, and they didn't say as what. Ha.
Do we go get ice cream now?
Yeah, we're gonna go get ice cream.
See ya.
We can wear our matching outfits.
I just feel like this is something that we would go get ice cream in.
Yeah, we'll take 2 blizzards
I
and
want
make
cookies.
it extra frosty.
So wait, I forgot what we were talking about. Our pants.
Oh yeah, our pants, they look great. Look at us, we look great.
We do.
Okay, I have to ask you a serious question. We're at the beach. Would a guy approach me in this? If I was walking around like, hey,
I mean,
would a guy come over and be like, hey girl, hey?
they're thirsty. You could probably be in a plastic bag. They'll be like, great, easy for me to
They'll
take.
be like,
Love you,
hey girl,
hey.
hey. All right, well, if we can get a boyfriend in these, then they're a win. All right, that does it for all of the one size fits all items that I ordered. A big thank you to my friend Justine for trying on all of these.
This was actually really fun. And to be fair, they all fit,
Yes,
but not well.
and not all,
No.
because I'm very small. But there was a few that I was actually surprised, like those jeans.
Very impressed. Incredibly impressed. They're so
Blew my
comfortable.
mind.
Yeah. Wow. I mean, they fit Mike.
They're like magic pants.
Mike still has them on.
All right, thanks again for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe, ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and go over to Justine's channel and check out the video we did over there. We played with an easy bake oven.
We did. It was incredible.
You will be surprised at what happened. All right, links down below. Bye, you guys.
Bye.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Let's go get ice
Right there.
cream. Yes, ice cream, ice
Oh,
cream.
what will I wear?
You have a lot of options. Your stylist picked out a few great pieces for you. I have an eye for fashion, Justine.
I know.
I mean, look at us.